there is a new H&B product in the market right now that is going to rival IQOS. So this is the Plume. I just got this today from one of their few physical stores here in the Philippines sa Mitsukoshi BGC. So right now, they still have a promo going on, introductory kit promo of 2490, I think, for your device itself, and 6 packs of Mevius na bala. So this is technically the same with IQOS. Basically, heat not burn, or H&B. So this will be your package itself, and this is their newest product. This is the Plume X Advanced. One of the experiences that I have nung pumasok ako sa store nila, very welcoming yung space. Like, dun sa Mitsukoshi BGC, ang laki nung stall nila. You can go inside, you can smoke, you can test their products bago kang bumili. Ako kasi, since familiar na ako sa heat not burn device, tobacco device, hindi na ako masyadong tumagal pa dun and dalawang isip pa to buy the products. We have the Plume Club. If you register your device, parang magkakaroon ka ng points, and when you buy from their official website, they have points, then you can earn points, then you can actually use it to buy yung bala in the future. Initially, they have 12 months warranty, then may additional 6 months warranty when you register your device. Basically, inside, you have your adapter lang naman, USB-C, and your Plume X device. And may cleaning kit. Yes, guys, may cleaning kit siya. Unlike yung kumpara sa IQOS natin, na di na kailangan ng cleaning kit yung pinaka-recent device nila. I think this product is... the concept, I think, was made in Japan, but the sales staff sabi nila it was made in Indonesia. So let us go over yung pinaka-basic features niya. I got the slate gray one. So this is the device itself. It fits the palm of my hand. Pwede siyang isang bala, maubos yung isang pack na 20 sticks per charge. Tapos per charges are only 90 minutes. Let us go through yung mga ibang items sa loob aside from the Plume na device itself. As I said, may charging port siya na AC adapter. It's nice that they include mga power adapters still. Tapos, cleaning kit. Then, we have a charging cable that is Type-C to Type-C. Unlimited puffs siya. Yun yung main feature niya. Unlimited puffs per 5-minute session. Then, 90 minutes of charging per 20 sessions. So, isang bala natin na pack is 20 na sticks eh. So, sakto isang pack, isang charge na 90 minutes. Then, up to 3 consecutive session siya. Unlike IQOS, I think, bago mo i-charge 2 sessions, no, if I'm not mistaken. Does it come off nicely? Yes. So, basically, ganun lang siya kaliit, no? Tapos, to use the product, you just slide this. Tapos, lalagay mo lang sa loob. Then, after 20 sessions, you have to clean it. Usual lang na tubig lang daw. Tubig lang na linis. Tapos, I think you have to open yung harap. Let's try to do it right now. Marunong ka ba? Paano i-open yung harap? Ayun. Open mo lang yung harap, then linis sa taas. Tapos, I think i-open mo siya. I-click mo siya para yung moisture mawala, basically. Tapos, nasa ilalim yung USB-C. Then, nandito yung logo niya na Plume. So, after the product, let us go through yung mga bala. So, right now, meron silang 6 na klase. This is from Mevius na brand. For yung pinakatabako na flavor, you'll get the brown one. Yung deep aroma rich. Tapos yung mahilig sa menthol, the green one. called menthol. Yung purple option, ruby option, saka base option, itong tatlo, parang siyang menthol na may flavor daw. Open the top, tapos pagkapasok mo, after 25 seconds, automatic na siyang magbabuzz. Like IQOS. Tapos after another buzz, ready to use na. Tapos again, 5 minutes na only hits. Then kapag nag-buzz ulit, it means last 20 seconds. Then yung last buzz, yun yung tapos na. Then you just take it out. So main difference between IQOS. For me, yung experience almost the same, pero ang advantage lang talaga nito is walang amoy at all. Then, lesser smoke. Yun lang talaga. Pero aside from that, everything's the same. Tapos I've watched a lot of videos before na sinasabi nilang mas mainit siya na hawakan. I think baka lumang model yun. Pero this one, the Plume X Advanced, wala namang naramdamang init kapag hinahawakan ko siya. Wala at all. So overall, I think, is it better in experience? Possibly a little. Pwede, a little. Pero ang key takeaway talaga is walang amoy. Kasi when you use the IQOS, kahit papano may onting amoy when using it. And kapag hindi mo dinidispose kagad yung may onting amoy siya. Pero this one, walang amoy at all when you're using it. Parang siyang vape talaga. So there you guys have it. Ito yung pinaka-initial review ko. If you guys are interested in this product, make sure to use my referral code in the description box down below. I think nagpa-provide sila ng discount for referrals. So, yeah, there you have it. Thank you guys for watching.